morning, YouTube. I'm here today because I wanted to share a fitness vlog. My friend convinced me to go to a free workout class with her called Pretty Girls Lift. It's going to be at HX Fitness. It's supposed to be at 11 a.m. I really didn't want to go, but I'm going to go, and I figured I'd bring y'all with me. So, here we go.
I'm going to be late. In other news, it snowed in Atlanta. This is so crazy.
It says my ETA is 11:05, but I know there's going to be traffic. We'll see how this goes.
I have a question. How do you guys feel about pre-workout? Because I really feel like I need it. And I don't have any, so I stopped and got a Red Bull. We'll see if it gives me wings for this workout. Let me tell you, I did not want to get up this morning. I feel like I got hit by a freaking milk truck. Everything hurts. I know I haven't shared much of my fitness journey with y'all, but I started pretty much doing 2 days because I'm really trying to reach my fitness goals for the year. That's all I have to say about that. I made it with 1 minute to spare, so I'm gonna go inside and get this workout. Okay guys, so I just wanted to come on and give you guys a little bit more information on what we were actually doing in class. Side note, I know you see a lot of people moving around in the background. They were actually getting ready to set up for a workout listening party for little Scrappy because he goes to the gym. But anyway, the way the warm-up was set up, it was more of a lead-follow type scenario. So the trainers were in front, and we were basically following them and mimicking their movements. They had it set up to where it was a lot of bodyweight exercises and high-intensity bursts. And they wanted to make it a little fun, so there's a little bit of dancing going on, as you saw, just to spice things up a little bit. This is actually the second time me and my friend have come to this class. Okay, now for the workout. So we had 3 different circuits that we had to do. Each circuit included 2 movements and 1 isometric hold. And the 3 different variations were upper body, core, and lower body for us in that exact order. That's Paige, one of the trainers. So this class is really great for beginners. If you feel like you're intimidated by the gym or you don't really know what to do when you go to the gym, they make things very easy and they demonstrate it as well. Each circuit and each exercise included 2 rounds of 45 seconds. So we did all of this, upper, core, and lower body, 2 rounds for 45 seconds. And I had to dance a little bit because my legs were burning from the day before. We are done with Pretty Girls Lift. Mecca was one of the trainers. Hi.
We're here every Friday, 11 o'clock. Come through.
Yes,
Pretty Girls Lift.
yes.
You already know what's going on.
My homegirl Ash came through. And our other friends here. Laura, yes, Dave, Pretty Girls Lift. It was a great workout, guys. I'll be back later. Okay, so I figured I'd use this as an opportunity to come and chat with y'all real quick because I know I started this vlog off very suddenly and I wanted to use this time to really share with y'all exactly what I'm trying to do and what direction I'm trying to go in. But I set some pretty high fitness goals for myself for this year, personally and as a business, and I want to use vlogging as a way to hold myself accountable, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm not gonna say that I'm gonna depend on the vlogs, but because I made this commitment to YouTube, I feel like it will be helpful for exactly what I'm trying to do. I just wanna get better at sharing my story or what I do, because in the fitness industry, what you see on the internet and what you see on Instagram is what fitness professionals and people that are in the industry, what they want you to see. And it's okay to do that, but I want to share the struggles that I go through as well, to show people that it's okay to not want to do something. It's okay to feel like you want to give up. It's okay to understand and know that things are going to get hard. But if you really want to accomplish something, you got to dig down deep and just do it. That's it, just do it. I've been worried about trying to be perfect for so long and trying to come off as someone who has it all together, and I really don't. I really don't. I'm figuring it out just like everybody else. And that's what I'm doing. So I hope you guys look forward to seeing more of my vlogs, because I'm looking forward to sharing more of my vlogs, more of my fitness videos, more of everything. So here's me just doing it. Peace. As always, guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the bell in the corner so you can stay up to date on everything that I post every Sunday.